Hello everyone, welcome all to Fun with Aways. In this video, I am going to show how to model a 2D picture into 3D in Prisma 3D. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe, share and give a like. And if you like this video and you should tell any mistake in my video, please comment in comment box and encourage us to grow our channel. First you need to open the Prisma 3D application in your mobile and you should select on new, then a layout like this appear. There you should select plane texture. You should add a photo to that and you should rotate into 90 degrees of that plane. After importing a picture, you should take that picture and select a cylinder shape to create that picture. You should see what the picture is and you have to create your imagine your mind that what type of shape you should place there to form that picture. So in this picture it's a queen chess piece. To create this we need first a cylinder shape which creates a queen piece in this character. Then you should resize it correctly of that picture. So now I'm enlarging that picture and placing it at right angle. Now I'm taking cylinder to form a queen chess piece. Now I'm making that cylinder into 0.3 size, all of the 3 axes. Now I'm resizing it because it is the width of it is larger length. So and to create a picture into 3D, that's your creativity and how you are comfortable that you can do to create a model. Now I'm selecting all the parts section cut into 2 pieces. Now I skip the video because and observe this video carefully and then for more information I will make next video. Please encourage this video, give a like, share and comment. If you encourage, then I can make the next video easily. Observe it carefully and make your own 2D picture into 3D and make your own model and improve your modeling skill in animation and make your own animations in your own creativity. Please watch till end, observe it carefully and don't forget to like, share and comment to Fun Art with Aways.